Oh, new video from Suburban Beard. Nice.
YouTube, it's live. We need to get to the store now. Don't wait, you need to go.
In 2021, a crack commando unit was sent to prison by a retail court for a crime they didn't commit, paying full price. These men promptly escaped from a maximum security retail facility to the YouTube underground. Today, still wanted by retailers, they survive as thrifters of fortune. If you need a deal, if no one else can help you save money, and if you can find them, maybe you can hire the Beard Team.
Raining, huh? Let's get back to work. Who cares? What? Ah, Suburban Beard must have dropped a video.
Dibs, it's late, but we're still gonna try and do this. We're at Lowe's. We just spent 3 hours filming at Denny's. But you know what? Today, $33.57 from $82.99 for the Weber Genesis 38 grill cover. $14.90 down to $8.07 for the Weber Pellet Fuel Hickory 20 pound. $74.98 to $44.97 for the replacement grates. $95 to $33.97 for the 300 grates Weber Spirit. $59 down to $11.97 for the premium grill cover by Smokefire. $93 to $38.17 for the Weber Genesis 248 grill cover. Even if you don't have that exact grill and you find some deals on it, they're pretty generic, but it'll at least cover the grill. Nice disposable portable grills down to $5.87. $49 down to $12 for the Char Griller Duo grill cover. $89 to $22 for the Classic Joe grill cover for the ceramic grills. Stuff is still dropped. 10-gallon beverage cooler, $51 down to $12 right now. For navy gray hammock, $99 down to $45 with straps and hanging equipment included. We are down the Bullet charcoal smoker, $69 to $37.17, and we still have the camp stove, $200 down to $112.57. You have your insect foggers, $70 down to $55 for the propane. Clear window feeder, $17 down to $15.28 right now. The charcoal grill, $128 down to $51.17, 348-1049. You have the offset smoker king griller, $98.87 down from $170, 113-9095. Our patio shields are still dropping. They were $32, then $18, now to $9.87. One thing I'm still having a problem with these is the inserts, the part that goes inside that you need to replace. They're nowhere to be found, and they never dropped in price. Bird feeder, nope. $69 to $34.37 for the Cobalt AC string trimmer. 40-volt backpack blower, $299 down to $224.25. I know people have seen these a lot cheaper, so keep an eye out for them. Item is $262-4981. If you're in your stores, you need to start looking and checking for these gloves. So many of these gloves, even winter gloves, just regular winter gloves, are down to $2. You can get your traditional work gloves down to $2. Slowly seeing some discounts on some of these belts and items like that. These are $21 down to $547, 1334679. Even winter hats are on clearance, down to $2. Small drops slowly. The extendable loppers, $49 to $47, 1478636. These are the items to keep an eye on. They're going to keep dropping and getting even lower. Cobalt 40-volt edger, $130 to $6727, 2624980. I think anyone needs to remember, with any deals that we find, everything is YMNF. You may never find it, or the more commonly called YMMV. Your mileage may vary. Some stores may have it this cheap, some may not. Especially right now, it's really a shot in the dark since BrickSeek's been down. So I go through, give you the model numbers, keep an eye out for it, and if you happen to stop at a store, awesome, you may even find it cheaper than I do, which happens more often than you think. Oh, we got some more Q4 stuff. 11/22, this goes out. That's gonna be our next big date, and then it's out on 12/6. This is the 7-foot Mickey with sign. I believe it's the inflatable. 7 powerful settings that are unique from any angle. That's how she likes it. $49 down to $39. This is clearance. It's gonna keep dropping. Your item is 3540994. That looks aggressive. Brass toilet ring, 12 down to 7. TP holder, 16 down to 8. Items are 2131165, 2131163. These are going to keep dropping, but I want to get them in the video so you can keep an eye out for them. You have 3 different rugs, all for inside, hand woven, stripes bath mat, and dimensional natural bath mat. 18 down to 1437 right now. And again, these are going to keep dropping. Hey, I want to put this out to everybody. If anybody knows of a good video on YouTube, I've seen some, but none that I really like, that shows you how to put these in, from cutting the hole in the ceiling, running wires, and then getting the pipe out the roof. I'd really appreciate it because I need to get one in my bathroom. Shower curtains, 24 down to $9.97. Hookless. Those are the only ones I use because I'll never pay for a hooked The greatest things ever. No rings, no nothing. It hooks right over. I love these, and for 10 bucks, it's a great deal. We also have the gray 24 down to 23. Gray sells a little better, so it'll slowly keep dropping. That's what I'm going to keep an eye on for. 673-284. Even more clearance. 7 setting cheese combo. 59 down to 41. 69 down to 52 for the Oxygenix amp powered channel combo. 795-309. And we've got 79 down to 59 for the Delta Intuition 4 spray. 241-2703. Don't forget to keep looking for your Brillo. 67 cents right now. Some stores are down to 12. Now we're talking YouTube's 2-pack Alder faucets. 79 down to 69. This is clearance. It will keep dropping. WS84509 is your model. Item number is 2989135. Full 33 by 22 inch granite 9-inch. 259 out of 245. I get it's only a little over a $10 price drop. 748625, but it's going to keep going down. 274.80. Antibacterial double sink 2918355. Check out this thing, the commercial pull down. This thing is down to $99, $30 off, and it's on clearance. 1452262, which means it's going to keep going down like everything else. Frankie, make it wonderful. 139 to 131, 19.125 by 17 inch stainless steel 8-inch sink. Sub pump 339 to 221. Combo 209260, and emergency sub pump system 154 down to 99. 117257. Our chrome 3-piece set keeps dropping. We went 29 to 20 down to 1498. 2857377. This kitchen dish, soap dishes, all this keeps dropping. We are up to about 60% off now. Eaton USB 1614074. Set date 11/1. We are way past that. GE full color 2 counts? Yeah, 1 count. 11/1. We do have a special savings, 48 down to 20 for the GE Ultra Bright LED ceiling mounted work light. I love these types of lights in my garage. They are amazing. These twist and pivot, which is actually really nice for this, and I believe this is also a motion sensor inside of it that you can turn off if you don't need it. We've got clearance mirrors, $16.98 to $16.07. All right, it's like 80 cents, but 1964733. It's going to keep dropping. Baskets, and baskets. These are all about 75% off right now. The ones you see with the yellow tags, $3, $2, $5.07 for the biggest one. But shelving and brackets, all clearance. They're only about a 10 to 15% discount right now, but they're going to keep going down. $129 now, $50. All parts and hardware included. $502,473. You may want to check. Maybe they have these for you. It's a 38-inch multi-purpose wardrobe. Bubble cushioning roll. Oh, it's got dates based on where you live. Deep south, south, central, north, upper north, Compton. We've got some large rugs on sale. We're talking like close to 75% off on some of these. 150 down to 60, 80 down to 59, 78 to 36, 148 to 59. We got 4 rows of clearance. Let's jump in and see what we got. We do have the job site tailgate Bluetooth speaker with microphone. 69 down to 48 right now. 3745889. Pipe insulation is on clearance at the beginning of fall here. 92 cents, and 97 cents, down from $3. A lot of random items. We got a few dollars off some flashlights, all-in-one toilet seals. We got flooring for 87 cents, down from 99 cents. The peel and stick. We still have some Craftsman blades at $15. We do have your Bosch clearance down to $89.37. I know we've seen these as cheap as $50. I think it was in my last video, and so we'll keep waiting on this one here. A ton of hooks and hinges. And hooks, knives, the 2-pack before, some garage springs, 20 down to 18. That's a great price. Some more doorknobs, cup pulls, things like that. We got some locks for $2 from 7. Here's not my normal store, YouTubes. We are at the store that's closer to Denny, just because I need to get in, record, so I can get back and get you guys out a video today. So we're gonna run through. That's why it might be a little faster than usual. Anything I missed or anything you need me to get, let me know. Double check. I'll stop back at a Lowe's and maybe I'll throw it on the community page or something like that. Almost missed all this. All kinds of clearance on the door handles. We got the Lido lever deadbolt, 69 to 57, 50 to 46 for the combo kit. What is this? 49 to 33 for the entry kit. 48 to 30 for the quick set. 31 to 21 for the bath door. I'm not even gonna go over all of them. There's another 10 over here, another 8 down there. Got your Cobalt job site box, 48-inch, $399 down to $349 is a new lower price, $691,047. Still have a deal on these, $399 to $319. Joe the Tools Guy says, wait till spring, and if it's still around, you're gonna get this for pennies on the dollar. They're already dropping the Craftsman Essential Metal Sawhorse, 1,000 pound max load capacity. I don't think she could handle all of that. 1438140, and the Tough Built Sawhorse on the 3998. Let's get the model on number of this, and we can compare it then directly to the same one that we can hopefully find, which here it is the TBL SH60. I need to see if these model numbers are the exact same as what Tractor Supply uses, or if they have different model numbers for each store. We do have the pass load, not to be confused with dropping loads, 38 down to 23, 56829 for the 30-degree 3¼ inch smooth shank. The 3-piece deal kit is back for $200, 2884957, or you can just get the regular air compressor with nothing for $99. No, I take that back. It does come with the finish nailer and the inflator. 1068254. And in case you missed any of the last videos, remember, when you see a new lower price and it says was $179 and now it is $179, the price went up. Craftsman Oscillating Toolkit, 79 down to 63. This is clearance. It's going to keep dropping. 1045314. You have your Rockwell 4.2 F80 Duotech Sonic Crafter, 99 down to 79, 3646817. And we've got the Sonic Crafter F30 Oscillating Tool, 79 down to 59, 3646816. Ultra Saw. Don't get it here. We just saw that at we just saw that at Tractor Supply for $99 already. We do have the new lower price on the Dremel Versa from 130 down to 89, 102 3151, and the Bosch 140 down to 89 for the freak 18-volt impact. That's why I married her 2-amp battery kit. 1049871. On to battery number 3. Good. 3 batteries down. We've got the Bosch 159 down to 99 for the freak impact 2-amp. Did we just do this one? 2318834. We've also got the entire Bosch kit, the GXL 18V 496B22, 329 to 249. Our item number is 1049870. We do have a new lower price on the Bosch 5-inch variable speed random orbiter sander kit, 89 down to 59, 294 221. The Bosch wood and metal kit fits all T-shanks, 14 down to 998. It's a new lower price, 568038. 1325093. $14.98 to $9.98 for the 6-piece Spider Stinger Spade Bit Kit. Still have your XR half-inch brushless impact wrench kit, $319 to $249, $672,795. XR brushless recip saw with power detect tool technology, $280 down to $199, $159,7145. Clearance, $60 to $39, 2-pack 12-inch miter saw blades, $75686. The drill driver impact driver kit, $229 down to $149 right now, $3829604. We do have the XR 4-tool combo kit by Dewalt, $400 down to $300, $1597144. Say hi. Pretty sure these are the same as last week, but I want to go over them so we can keep track. $269 to $219 for the half-inch high torque impact wrench kit, $299 to $224 for the 3-tool combo kit, $139 to $99 for the 24-bolt brushless lithium ion drill kit, $219 to $199 for the brushless half-inch impact wrench kit. Sorry if I'm going too fast. I don't think I asked your opinion. 2670837, 17 down to $12.98 right now. I wonder if this Rockwell is any better than the Dremel that we saw. This is 89 down to 69 right now. 4.5-inch 5-amp circ saw, arbor lock button for easy blade changes. Light, smaller than a 7.25-inch circular saw. 520340. This might be something Denny and I have to get to test out. All right, we do have some battery price drops. We got your Craftsman 20-volt 4-amp lithium-ion 2-count, 150 down to 80, 105 6454, 90 down to 100 down to 60 for the 20-volt 2-amp lithium-ion battery, 105 6462. And we have a price increase on the Bosch because it was $149 and now it is $149. Whenever you see the same prices, you know the price went up. 1049880. I do want to take a quick minute to thank everybody. We have a lot of new people that have joined us and everybody's here. We are still doing the giveaways with the subscriber donations, as we're supposed to say, so YouTube doesn't yell at us because they think if you're doing giveaways, you're trying to buy people. I just want to give you stuff. I really don't care. I have to be able to ship it out though. I'm way behind. I'm like 3 weeks behind on shipping stuff out. That's why I haven't done any announcements. Please bear with me. I love you all. Thank you. Stay tuned. 20 to 13. 464613 Cobalt 3-piece lock and plier set. Got another deal right here. New lower price, 80 down to 60 for the 20-volt impact driver. Combo that with some batteries. You can go all day long drilling. That's what she wants. 1360003. And we still have your 8-tool combo kit, 400 to 279. You really can't pass that up if you need a tool set. 1045308. Now we are looking for a magical diamond in the rough. There is the 103-piece set that people are picking up for 40 bucks. But since Brickseek's down, I couldn't really check, so we're just going to be going to stores looking for them. But if you find that 103-piece set, gunmetal chrome, get out there, grab it, and double check on that price. Don't forget, we still have your 20-volt drill and driver, or 20-volt drills, 797-362 for 99 bucks. We do have some sexy price drops. 140-piece screwdriving bit set, 45 down to 39.98 right now, with their part of their Versa Stack kit, 1633949, and 15 down to 9.98 for the 14-piece gold oxide drill bit set. If you need plexiglass, check out the Countertop sneeze guard. It's 24 by 36 and it's 3702. The acrylic Countertop sneeze guard. You may not need all the metal pieces, but go check the price of acrylic right now on a piece that's 24 by 36 and see if you can find it for cheaper than $37 in store. We all know the price on this went up 50 bucks. We're hoping for a nice big drop because that's something I'd like to get. If not, Ryobi has the exact same one. It's only 78 bucks in stock at Home Depot. We're gonna go check that out tomorrow. Looks like I did miss out. They have a new lower price on the Cobalt 100-piece wrench tool set, 75 down to 49, 286-0487. New lower price means I should be able to find it online at that same price. And the 20-piece quarter-inch SAE kit, 32 down to 19.98, 57335. I told you these were a good deal, YouTubes. All those hex kit sets are gone, and some of the prices have gone back up to 30 bucks. I'm curious how this stacks up to the new V-line from Craftsman, $99.98 to $60, 20-piece ratcheting set, 2884761, Pro 90 ratcheting, SAN metric. There's just stuff everywhere in these aisles. DWX 723, I don't even know what it is. I know it's a miter saw stand, but I don't know what the price is on this thing. We do have the $100 off the 12-inch sliding compound miter saw kit, 819980. Got your new lower price on the Metabo, 300 on the 229 for the 12-inch miter saw kit, 1165335, and we've got 369 to 349 on the Dewalt 12-inch double bevel compound miter saw kit. I swear this was cheaper last week, but I'm gonna say because I don't remember. 400 on a 300, 1165338 on the 10-inch double slide miter saw, and then we've got 319 to 249 for the 12-inch compound miter saw by Dewalt. I think that's all. Nope, 299 279 for the 10-inch double sliding compound miter saw, 1413794, and 159.99 for the 10-inch compound miter saw. It just seems like a really cheap price for something like this. Am I wrong? I may be wrong, but I'm oh so right. YouTubes, I think we're gonna wrap up. I'm getting pretty tired, I'm getting hungry, and it's late. I'm also running out of breath because of the speed I'm talking, but you know what? I love you all. I appreciate you all being here. Thank you for your time. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, I understand that. I just appreciate anybody watching. So, as usual, thank you, I love you. Stay thrifty, my friends.
Today I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say it was a good day.